Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can enable the navigation bar to Google Pixel 9 and Google Pixel 9 Pro. If you don't like the gestures, the navigation bar is a good alternative. Maybe you know it from other phones already. Let me show you how you can enable it. For that we will need the settings first. For that just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, and then you have here always the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. Now you need to scroll down to the point System. And you will find the point navigation mode. Actually, it's on gesture navigation, and here you can change it. It's the 3-button navigation. This is the navigation bar. Now the navigation bar appears. You can't change the back button to this place if it's another question of you. It's not possible. So the back button, the home button, and the recent open tab button are fixed. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That's very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, sorry. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.